has been written off as an irrecoverable debt. That means what? An expenses for the business. So which fundamental concept was used here? That is the question. So what do you think is the fundamental concept used here? It is what? Accrual. Because you have to match expenses with whatever you have made into the business this year. Because you wrote it off, yes or no? So if you are putting it off, that means an expenses. If you did not like it as an expenses, you will still be thinking that you have more profit, which is not. You will still be thinking of having more assets, which is not. Do you understand what accrual matching concept is? So it's accrual. That means you match expenses of this year with the income that you have made. You match your assets, you match your revenue with your expenses for the same year. So this has become an expenses for the business, isn't it? So this is accrual.
I still don't understand.
You go back to your accrual. The accrual concept says you match expenses with revenue. That's accrual. So this is trade receivable, which is supposed to be what? Revenue. Yes or no?
Honestly, so the revenue and the expenses cancel each other out.
Yeah, you have to match them. You have to match them. That is why we have the accounting concept. Stop that, please. You have to match them. That's why we have accounting concept. Trade receivable is going to be a sort of revenue. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or it is written off. Because it is written off, it becomes an expenses for the business. That's why it becomes what? Accrual concept. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, please?
Yes.
The second one.
is easy. It's historic cost.
They said,
Yes.
I will check now. Inventory of 9,000 was written down to its net realizable value of 8,000.
Historic cost.
How is it historic cost?
It's business entity. And I think it's an historic
8,000.
Yeah, listen, it was like 9,000, then it became 8,000.
Why?
Reduce?
It reduces. So they said it is written down from 9,000 to what? 8,000.
Historic.
What does that mean?
I think it's historic cost.
Historic cost?
When you measure.
No, it's not historic cost. It is not. It is prudence. What do I call it?
What's prudence?
Prudence. You must not overstate your assets or understate the liability. Here, the inventory is an asset, yes or no?
Yeah.
But if it was 9,000, it will depreciate, yes or no? So if you don't put the amount of depreciation, you are overstating your assets, which does not go with the principle of what? Prudence. Do we understand?
Yes.
It is prudence, not historic cost. Historic cost is when you write that figure based on the amount you bought it. Now you're going to see historic cost now. Is second one clear now? The principle of prudence. You don't overstate your asset, you don't overstate your profit, you don't understate your liability, you don't understate your liability and what? Your loss. I think you get that. So the third one, 1,000 paid for private
Historic
travel was debited to
business
joint business entity. Thank you. Business entity. I think we got that. The fourth one, motor vehicles were depreciated at 20% on cost.
I had been confused here.
Historic cost. Motor Mohammed, raise up, don't do that anymore. Never.
I just didn't write it down.
You should not.
I got the answer wrong.
Motor vehicles were depreciated at what? At 20% on the cost. That means we are depreciating the motor vehicle based on the amount or the value we bought the motor vehicle. That is what we call historic cost. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, are you here? Great. The fourth one, 2,100 insurance was paid for the following financial year.
Realization.
Realization. Thank you. Thank you.
Are any of them used more than once?
Huh?
Are any of them used more than once?
Definitely, it could be. It's good. We'll check. I don't know if it was together. A tablet was written off off as an expense, even though it could last 3 to 5 years.
I think materiality. I don't.
A tablet was written off as an expense. It was recorded, even though it would last for 3 to 5 years.
This is consistency.
The tablet was written off as an expense.
Materiality.
Going concern.
Consistency.
Consistent. I said consistency.
This is
No,
materiality.
materiality. Materiality.
Money measurement.
I think materiality.
The tablet was written off as an expense. A tablet is an asset, yes or no?
Yes.
But it is being recorded as what? As an expenses. Why? Because they will continue to spend on it, maybe for servicing, for updating, or whatever it is. But normally, when you think about a tablet, it's an asset to the business. But why is it recorded as an expenses?
Because it's materiality. Mr. I don't care.
It's because of material.
Materiality.
What is materiality?
There's something that's important in the business.
Recorded
Something
It has to be part of recording.
yes.
If it's not recorded, then it becomes a problem.
Yes.
So here, if you have taken an asset, you have recorded it as an expenses. Why did you do so? Is it because it's material?
Money measurement.
Money measurement?
Going
No,
concern.
It's not money measurement.
materiality. I think.
Going concern.
Materiality.
Going concern.
The tablet was written off as an expense.
Going
Though it is
concern.
an asset.
So it's understated. It's
So can you say that?
It's inconsistent.
No, materiality. Materiality.
Going concern. Going concern.
Consistency.
I don't know.
Yeah. Because every now and then we will continue to use it. Yes. But it is not going to be part of an asset anymore. It becomes part of our expenditure.
I said consistency at the beginning and I changed to going concern.
Is it clear now?
Consistency, yes.
Is it clear, guys? Great. The next one. An electronic good business asks staff to show customers how to operate certain tools. This is considered to be I wrote it twice. It will be worth 5,000, but it's not recorded in the books. Money measurement.
Money measurement.
Money measurement. How do you put training? It's training, right? It is quality, just like what we talked about. Quality cannot be recorded. Skills cannot be recorded.
The last one is going concern.
Depreciation is charged at 20%, but we want to increase it by 25% this year.
Going concern.
Going concern. Thank you.
What's this? What's this?
Is it clear now?
Yes.
It's going concern. Last one.